Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can use back tab on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up your settings on your mobile phone. Now scroll all the way down and tap on accessibility. Now here many options will be appear. Now go ahead and tap on touch. Now again scroll and you'll be seeing the option called back tap. Now you will be seeing two options, which is double tap and triple tap. Now here you can customize it according to your desire, whether you can select any options and just use it. So let's say I have selected this. Now here you can switch on whatever you want to activate while double tapping the back. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can use back tap on iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to press on notification bell for more updates.